It's a process.
I have a meeting.
A lot of meetings, a lot of discussions.
We'll start with a lot of the exterior skins.
I modify the aircraft.
We'll go through some automated fastening.
That way it can be adapted to be mounted on these floats.
I either reverse engineer or engineer layouts for electrical systems.
We install the wiring, we install the components.
Slowly build up some smaller sub-assemblies.
From, beginning assembly to final assembly.
Taking a product that's already made and breaking it down to how it was made so that we could either replicate it or repair it.
We'll go through some forming to get the shapes that we want.
They can change the mission of the aircraft.
You'll see all these assemblies coming from our building, other buildings, vendors, all that kind of coming together all at once.
My favorite part of my job is sitting in the center of production and being able to look at the planes from beginning to end being created and assembled.
It's fun to see how many components are involved. Something that seems so simple is really complicated in the background.
The important thing is to characterize the problem.
Where's the issue?
We do a root cause analysis.
Find the root cause.
What's the root cause?
We work through the various options we have.
We brainstorm. We use a decision tree.
There's a lot that goes into it.
You just ask why until you can't ask why anymore.
We put all these things together and we give them one solution that meets all their needs.
My favorite part is watching the aircraft go off on its first flight.
Seeing a beautiful project through.
It's a journey.
It's absolutely a process.